It's October 2021 and there's a new VAT rate, a reduced rate of 12.5% for hospitality. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new VAT rate in Xero for this example being the new reduced 12.5% rate for hospitality. Okay, from the Xero dashboard, we want to go to Accounting, we want to go to Advanced, and we want to go over to the right hand side and we want to choose Tax Rates, which means VAT rates. The current list will be here, but what we want to do is we want to choose Add a New Tax Rate. You want to give it a name, so I'm going to call it 12.5%. And I'm going to say Hospitality, and then I'm going to continue what Xero does and say VAT on income. I'm going to use this for sales. So the drop down sales is fine, and I need to add in here the percentage and then save. If you also have hospitality purchases, then you can add another rate, 12.5%, hospitality again, and this time VAT on expenses. Go to the drop down, select purchases, go to the rate 12.5%. These are appearing at the top of my list because they're in alphabetical order, so the number 1 is before the number 2 for 20%. Now what I want to do is I want to go to my chart of accounts and I'm going to look at my sales account. If my sales were all hospitality, I could go in here and I could change the default rate. I don't need to do that, but if I didn't do it, then I would have to change every invoice, every sale as it happened. The other thing you could do, and it depends on what works best for your business, but we could say, let's add a new account. It's going to be a revenue type account. I'm going to give it code 201. And I'm going to call it hospitality. I'm just using the abbreviation sales. And then I'm going to say October 2021 to March 2022, because that is the period of this new rate. I don't need a description. And I'm going to change the VAT rate to the new one. And then I'm going to save. Now, if I was to add a sales invoice, if I choose the new sales code, the new tax rate will be automatic. And then if I had a spend money transaction, I'm just going to choose general expenses, but if it was a hospitality rate, there I can pick it up and it's at the top of my list. Save my transaction. So that is where you set up new VAT rates in Xero.